All right, starting with the first topic in Chapter 2. The first topic is business structures. So these are the legal structures that companies can take on when they decide they want to form and start a business. So there's 3 types of basic business structure that we're going to talk about in this class. If you take a business law class, you're going to learn there's many more, but we are just reviewing the basic business structures. Okay, so the first one is a sole proprietorship, or simply a small business, right? Now, most businesses, if an individual just says, hey, I want to start selling jewelry, I want to start selling my baked goods on Instagram, right? If they just start doing something, selling their good for money, and they don't take any formal steps to make their business, right, to make it legal or incorporate it, then that is a sole proprietorship, them just starting business without doing anything official in terms of setting up the company. That is a sole proprietorship. Think of it as like a small business. Okay, so that's our first basic business structure. The next one is a partnership. Okay, this one requires a little more effort to form for a couple of reasons. One, you have to find a partner, someone to actually go into business with you. As the name suggests, you need to have at least one other person. And there is recommended paperwork that it should be set up if you want to start a partnership. And then the last one that we're going to talk about is a corporation. Okay, this one requires the most amount of effort to structure because you have to complete paperwork with the state in which you're incorporated in. So you can kind of view these in terms of level of complexity, the easiest, middle of the road, and then most difficult to establish. And again, these are the basic forms because I know some of you out there like, oh, what about a C Corp? What about an S Corp? What about a B Corp, which is relatively new? Or you're thinking, what about an LLC or an LP? There are lots of different variations, but your textbook in this intro class, we're just focusing on the 3 basic forms. Okay, we'll go into more details for each one of these in the next video.